Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the J22 Report. I'm your host, Johnnie Market. You all know that drill. Hit that like button, subscribe if you already haven't. And before we get into today's news and video and commentary, just want you to know, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my thoughts about what's going on, the markets, and everything else. So let's get into it. Markets are up, and I also have a disclaimer below all my videos. Please read that. So let's get in today. The markets down, or no, they weren't down, they were up. So let's share my screen real quick. Um, share my screen. Let's go. Where is it? Google Finance right here. Dow Jones up, S&P up, Nasdaq's up. And if you also look at it, I'm going to share this Kitco. Gold and silver. Let's see. This is the one thing that's annoying. This is after hours. They don't have like a before the market, but gold was up significantly today. I was down yesterday, up today. Let's look at the economic data today and tomorrow. Since I didn't do a video, logistics managers index. This is a positive. Jolt's job openings less than expected. That is not good. Red Book. You look at this, factory orders more expensive. Now the economic optimism index was really bad, but this data is mixed to good. And even if you look at this, look at today's ADP unemployment was a huge miss, and that's why gold shot up today. Job numbers, I've seen it so many times, I had to follow that price. But if you look at it, PMI, this is very good, strong reading. ISM, very strong reading. Uh, so I mean, it's mixed to good, and that's why the market's still going up. We're not in recession now. They're starting to see cracks in the economy, but if you look at it, the economy is still in bad shape. So let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. But yeah, this is why I think we're going to see worse economic data as time goes on. As I said, this is a bottom up crash. It's hurting the lowest first, and it's hurting the lowest first, and it'll eventually get to the top. So let's go. More signs, though. The economy is doing poorly. Lululemon beat Wall Street's earning and revenue estimates. That's good, but issued weak second quarter guidance. People, they can't afford to buy clothes. They're wearing their old clothes, or they're ironing and doing other stuff. That's so, the economy, as you can see, has more work to do in America. International has more work to do in America. America is a very poor country. That's what I'd say. And that's what people don't understand. And so that was the first thing. Second thing that was on my mind is I was never much of an energy bull. And I'll show you all why. I was never much. I mean, I think we're going to see $150 to $200 oil. I think uranium will go up a lot. I think mainly because of inflation. I think a lot of demand from the West as America loses world reserve currency over time and whatnot. Things are going to go very, very south. So I don't think energy demand is as strong as everyone says it is. But the reason I don't invest in energy isn't anything particular. I'm not going to tell you not to, because they can very well go up. So I'm not saying it's a bad investment, but this is a risk no one talks about. Here it goes. Suncor sued by environmentalists over Colorado refinery emissions. The elites hate the modern day energy industry, and they are going to go after it. And this is what no one knows, especially the libertarians. Libertarians don't even know who's in charge. They just say government and whatnot. Government's like business. It all depends on who runs it. But yeah, Suncor tyranny comes from everything. Uh Suncor, so they're gonna go after a lot of these businesses, and that's just what I'm scared of. Suncor sued by environmentalists, so they're that's not a good thing. Wonder if they even did anything to see. Yeah, the stock was up, but it's gonna be, and it might not be nothing. And if you think nuclear is safe, look at this: addressing structural racism in nuclear energy. That's a clear cut. And this is University of Michigan. University of Michigan right here. This isn't some fringe left wing blog. This is University of Michigan, highly regarded school. So they are gonna go after nuclear energy. Here's another one. Atomic Age, University of Chicago, highly ranked school. Nuclear power, racist, sexist, and ageist. Beyond nuclear. So there you go. There's more. Uh, it's eventually this is going to become so. I'm not saying it won't do well, but I'm just saying. I'm just saying right now there's risks. And then here's the other thing. Iran is making big oil pay for climate damage. Other states should follow. Rolling Stone. So yeah, if you look at it, there are there are there are clearly very, very strong risks. There are very clearly strong risks, and investing in nuclear is not. It's not going to be an easy. Investing in energy has its risks, and that's pretty much all I have for today. Same stuff, and yeah, tomorrow I will do a video. I was gonna do commercial real estate and others, but I did not have a lot of my stuff out today. So I will be doing commercial real estate and residential real estate and others tomorrow. So tune in, hit that like button if you already haven't, and subscribe, and I will see you. If I don't see you tomorrow, I'll see you later this week.